What's going on everyone, Simon Says here, back with another video, and today I have another case review for you for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This time we have a case from a company called Spigen. If you haven't heard of Spigen, they do a lot of nice cases, relatively inexpensive as well. This one was £16, I picked it off of Amazon. I'll throw the link in the video description for you to check that out. So, you know, compared to other cases that I've reviewed, like the Mouse Infinity case that was £60, this is a much cheaper option. Again, it's a clear case, but the reason I picked this one up was because this is the Quartz Hybrid and the back panel is made of glass. So according to their website and Amazon's description, it has tempered glass on the back and then your TPU bumper around the side. So I wanted to give this a go, check it out, see what other clear cases were out on the market for my iPhone. So let's dive right in. So as you can see, it's very simplistic casing from Spigen. Nothing too much to look at there. Let's open it up. And there we go, so nothing really to look at. We have a little installation guide and how to remove it. Don't think we'll be needing that today. So let's have a look at the case. So as you can see, it's just your standard regular clear case, but this is glass, and it does sound like it. It's still got a little bit of flex, but I don't want to go too crazy and start flexing it too much. So if we have a look around the case, very clear on the back. Along the side we have our power button. We have some branding along here as well. I don't know if you can see that. Spigen, California, made in China. Along the bottom we have our cutouts, and they look like they're accurate and asymmetrical to the actual iPhone as well, and a nice big cutout there for your lighting import. Along the other side we've got some Spigen branding. Sorry about my camera not focusing there. Again, the buttons for the volume and then your mute switch. And then along the top we've got some more branding here. Air cushion technology, I don't know if you can see that, and it's got a little arrow there, so on each corner you have this little bump here which should help you with any drops as well, drop protection. So it looks like we've got a good lip around the camera as well. So let's get this into my iPhone. So at the moment I am rocking a skin on the back of here as well, a nice blue honeycomb skin from a company called Easyskinz in the UK, and again I'll put a link in the video description if you want to check them out. So fits on really well even with the skin. And there we go. Wow, that's very clear. The glass looks really nice. Again, fingerprinty, it's not too bad. That should be much easier to clean. And because it's glass, it should be less scratch prone, hopefully. So let's go around the case. I'm rocking a screen protector, and again there's a decent amount of lip there, so you should be able to plonk that down with no issues. As we said, a decent bezel on the camera as well, so if you do lay that flat, your camera's not going to get damaged. But again, there is a bit of a rock there to it as well. Buttons, let's try those out. Volume seems really good. Yeah, very clicky, very tactile. That's actually really nice for a clear case. Certainly for the price as well. There we go. Good cutouts for your ports and your speakers. And it's a slim case as well. It seems like a good profile case. What's the fit and finish like of it? Yeah, not too bad. I've had tighter cases before. Remember, this is a TPU case. Generally you get a bit more give at the bottom as well. But other than that, yeah, really solid case. I like the fact it's glass. I'm not too sure how well that's going to hold up if you do drop it. You do have these aeroshock bubbles on the side. There is a little bit of water marking there, I don't know if you can see. But other than that, it's not too bad at all. Is this wireless charging compatible? Let's give it a go. Yeah, as you can see the light came on and that's wireless charging as well. So there's no issues with it charging either. Obviously this isn't a MagSafe case. I believe MagSafe will work, but you won't get the animation, and I don't think it's going to be as solid as actually having a MagSafe case like the Mouse Infinity or the official Apple cases. But yeah, guys, what did you think of this? £16, relatively inexpensive for a nice clear case. I'm not too sure how long it's going to last in terms of the sides yellowing because they are TPU. I'd like to think it will last slightly longer with the glass back. But yeah, it looked really, really good. And if you want a clear case for your iPhone but you don't want to spend a fortune, then this could be the one to go for. Anyway, thank you for everything. I hope you liked that video, and if you do, hit the subscribe button and that like button, and I'll see you soon. Take care.